up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are here at this abandoned Ruby Tuesday. You didn't expect that new intro, did you? But yeah, I'm changing it. But anyways, here's the abandoned Ruby Tuesday. This just closed like maybe 1 month or 2 months ago. I'm not quite sure. If I find any information, I'll just put something right down there in the bottom of the screen. But anyways, we're here at this abandoned Ruby Tuesday, so let's go check this place out. All right, guys, here is the abandoned Ruby Tuesday. You can see they still have the to go sign still out there, which is pretty cool. And they actually didn't even take down the roadway sign either, which is crazy, but it's really cool to still see the sign. So yeah, you can see the parking lot was actually pretty big for this place. But yeah, you can see they had the not asphalt, but tar basically, but they hadn't done that in a while. So it's definitely a different looking sign for like the pole, like one pole. Kind of looks like Sonic signs, kinda. But anyways, here's the abandoned building right here. I came, the first time I came to Bowling Green, Kentucky was actually to visit that Big Lots over there when it was closing. Yeah. Oh, yep, there we go, April 2nd. All right, well, I wasn't too far off, but this is definitely cool that they put that there, because they usually do not put that there. And yeah. Oh wow, what has happened in there? That is a wreck. Oh my gosh, guys, that is crazy. Oh, I thought that was gonna go for a second. That made a big ol' sound. But what the heck happened in there, guys? That is a wreck. Wow, I don't think the workers did that to this place. I don't think so. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at all of that. Yeah, that is destroyed. That has seen way better days, guys. And yeah, look, they did that for this over here too, but I don't think, yeah, that's not destroyed right there. For some reason, it's got a white roof or ceiling for some reason. But there you can see it, the simple, fresh American dining, and pretty much this whole place is windows. So, I mean, if you couldn't already tell that we are gonna get some good looks inside here. And look, they just left everything. To go plates, not plates, but to go containers right there for like cake or whatever. They have a kitchen pot for some odd reason. And then whatever that is over there looks like some more kitchen equipment. And then they have a menu right there, and the advertisements, they left everything. And even the chalk right there on this still says today's special, which is really cool. But yeah. Oh look, pick up here, Mr. Beast Burger. Wow. You can see it says exit. We deliver with DoorDash. Please use front doors for seating. Dang, this place is trashed. It'll focus. Look at that. They got receipts all on the ground. This place is trash, guys. And just to be closed in April, which is crazy to me. So what has happened to this place? This place has took a turn for the worst. some of it, like near the bar area, that's all fixed and stuff like that. But April 2nd, this place has been closed for like 4 months. And just look at that. Is that water damage or what even is that? And there's an umbrella in there. I wonder if a homeless person is like living in there. There's a Fazoli's Cup, which is right next door. But yeah, that is just crazy. That blows my mind. But yeah, all they did was literally take down the signage on the outside. Not even the roadway sign, just the one on the building. But yeah, it's a wreck in there, guys. It's crazy. Wait, I'm not just seeing, well, that could be from the front doors. But I would say, oh wow, it looks like there's a hole in like the actual roof, but I'm not sure. But yeah, look, you can literally see the desserts on the thing. Salt and pepper, or not pepper, just salt, but they do still have the sugar packets. So, even over here too. Wait, I do think that now that I'm seeing it, it looks like there is holes in the roof, which is so weird, because I don't think it would be shining from over here, these windows that we're about to take a look with, but that is just crazy. Like, are they doing work? Is this place gonna be demolished, or like what's the deal here? I don't even know. Otherwise, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, this just closed, so it shouldn't look bad. But yeah, this place is trashed, wrecked, and whatever you want to call it. But here's the side of the building right here. You can see the light has been damaged. Simple Fresh American Dining. Yeah, it just says all of that for all of that. And then there's just a big hole that goes down into the ground. Not sure if there was gonna be if there was a sign there or what, but yeah. This is probably one of my craziest videos I've filmed in like a long time. Yeah, that place is a wreck inside there, guys. Look at all of that. I don't know why there's a thing in there, and you can see lots of things on the bar. Hold on, if it'll focus. Yeah, there you go. You can just see everything. Yeah, I accidentally turned it off for a second, but look, yeah, there's literally not even a lock in there. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, they got the blinds down for this one. But yeah, I believe that was the last door, so I don't believe there's gonna be any getting inside of here. Oh, it's blurry. There we go. Yeah. Alright, well, I don't believe there's any more doors unless there's like a kitchen door or something like that. But anyways, here you can see the side of the building. Simple Fresh American Dining, another one of those. And now you see right here, wonder if workers or a storm took down that, or if it just said Ruby Tuesday. That's what I believe for it to be. Oh my gosh, there's a Qdoba food truck. I've never seen that, and it's for sale. Okay, that's very crazy, but alright. Alright, anyways, over here's the dumpster area. Alright, there are some more doors over there, so if that's not unlocked, then no getting inside here. There's a bike tire. Yeah, there's just random things. They've took out the dumpster area. They took out the actual dumpster itself, but yeah. So I was here back all the way in March. So since I was here in March, oh wow, they got the drink fountain right here. Why is there so many Fazoli cups? I guess maybe the workers had eating Fazolis, but look, this is crazy. Why does it keep zooming in? I'm trying to focus it. But yeah, these are the Ruby Tuesday flavors. And then you just do all that. Why did I just hear a beep sound? It's odd. Yeah, there you go. There's water right there. But yeah, you can see all this, and look at the all this. This is all nasty and stuff like that. It's all locked. I don't think it rains. Ugh, that's so nasty. What is that beeping sound? No clue what that is. Yeah, these doors look like they're locked. Warning. So it looks like this is just a storage room. Stuff like that. But yeah, that's definitely locked. And then that's locked as well, so yep. Oh, why are there people here? There's 2 people here? I guess they don't know that this place is closed. But yeah, I guess they have to find out the hard way. It's crazy how I'm literally filming a YouTube video and people decide to pull up. But anyways, here's the back of the building. I'm gonna go around the other way. Hopefully by the time I get up there, they'll be gone. So, but yeah. Anyways, while we walk and talk, well, you guys can't talk to me because this isn't a live stream. But anyways, while I talk to you guys, what do y'all think about the new sign-in, the new intro? Do y'all like it? Let me know for sure. But there's another person in the parking lot, but I have no clue what that umbrella is doing in there. But I just can't believe on how destroyed this place is. This place looks like it's been closed for like 3 or 4 years. It should not look like that. And I would say it looks kind of like workers, but at the same time it really doesn't. Those people are still there. But anyways, it's about a wrap for this video. It's about the end of this video, so hope y'all did enjoy it. And yeah. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. This was certainly a crazy one to film. It's just mind-blowing that the inside looks that way when it only closed like 4 months ago. But anyways, I'm signing out to go. Get it? Yeah. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. Be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember to just be you. Peace.